Good morning, student. I am Joginder Kumar. This is 8th class. Here we will discuss chapter number 12 of Geography, Natural Resource, Land, Soil and Water Resources. Let we have to start our chapter from the water project. What are the water projects? Water projects is a non-profit organization who working with communities in the Sahara African area who is facing the lack of water scarcity or the water scarcity is facing. There is also a need for clean drinking water and they are working with the local communities for clean drinking water and for sanitation facilities. This includes the construction of the bore wells and hand pumps, dams and rainwater harvesting projects. Now we will see what is land, how land is a resource. Land is very important resource because of the use of land is very important for human beings. Human beings build homes, transportation facilities, lines, and other required things develop on the land. Agriculture, forestry, animal rearing, mining, industrial and other economic activities are done on the land. So it is very important. Now we will see land use for the different purposes and land conservation. The arable land is used in the different purposes broadly. First, for forest. Forest is on 32%. Land not available for cultivation is 14.25%. The fallow land is 8.50%. Unproductive land is 4.05%. Permanent pasture and other grazing land is 3.33%. And for the plantation, it is 1.03%. So fallow land means the area which is not using in for any type of use for agriculture or for others. Next, soil, its component and soil profile. Soil, what is soil? A soil is a thin loose surface layer of the earth which is found on upper part of the earth. It is called soil. It is very important for us directly or indirectly. The component of soil. The soil is composed of some minerals and some organic substances. Soil profile. As soil forms horizontal layers develop within it. Soil horizon together make up the soil profile and three main horizons are found here. A, B, C and also D is found here, which is known for its bed rocks horizon. You can see the picture of soil profile here. This is soil profile horizon and the picture. You can see here in the first, which is known also O horizon or the A horizon. In the A horizon, there are some organic materials and some minerals found. In the O or the A horizon, the minerals materials are found. These are mixed with some humus. The first layer, including the O horizon, is known as the topsoil. Under this topsoil, here is the subsoil in the B horizon. Third is the C horizon. In the B horizon, there are some also weathered rocks, but which weathered? The weathered rocks or the weathered soil of the topsoil. C horizon, this is totally weathered area. Now D horizon, it is the bad rock area. You can see in the first picture also. This is the bad rock area, which is not under any effect or the pressure of the different agents of the soil erosion. Now, factors affecting the soil formation and the types of soil. First, time of soil formation. You know, student, a centimeter soil takes millions of years in its formation. So, time makes a soil fertile. Topography. You know, topography means the relief features, means the height or the depth. The top of the hills have most of the weather process and the erosion process passes through. Climate. Climate also affect the soil formation. Means of it, if the temperature high and also the rainfall is high, that area also under the soil formation very rapidly. Next, living organism. These are microorganisms which are found in the first layer of the earth, which is known as soil. These lose the rocks or the soils and also increase the fertility in the soil. Now we will see different types of soil. First is alluvial soil. It is found most of the India's part or in the sedimentary rocks areas. This is found. It is very fertile land, soil. Second, red soil. It is reddish in its formation. Also, the leaching process becomes in it. Next, laterite soil. Laterite soil also a type of soil. It is made up of some metallic minerals. Iron content also is found in it, which is also found in red soil also. Next, the black soil. Its formation due to the volcano bursting of lava. So its color is also found black. It is known as the ragur soil. Now the desert soil. Desert soil is sandy in nature. It is found most of in the desert area of Sahara Africa desert or in the Thar desert area. Next is the mountain and the saline sandy soil. Mountain soil is full of humus. It is found on the slopes of the mountains and it is also fertile, not so much like the alluvial soil. Now the saline sandy soil, it is found near to the coastal region. It is sandy in nature. Its particles are not so much fine. Clear? Now the soil erosion and the soil exhaustion. Soil erosion, the removal of the soil or the physical loss of the layer of soil by the agent of erosion, for example, running water, wind, underground water, or the glacier. It is known as soil erosion. Means removal of the earth's surface of the soil. Now, the soil exhaustion. Soil deteriorates and becomes the deficient in some nutrients due to the improper cultivation techniques, overcropping, multi-cropping, or wrong agriculture methods, deforestation, due to dry farming, overgrazing, or animal rearing, or grazing, or over irrigation leads to the soil exhaustion. So now we will see what we can do to conserve the soil. The practices or the techniques. First, the contour farming. Through the contour farming on the slopes, we can conserve the soil erosion. Second, terrace farming. Slopes are cut into series of steps like the level of terrace, which allow the soil to remain stable and retain water. This is especially important in the mountainous regions. Now, the strip farming. Some strips are made in between the cultivated areas, which conserve the soil. Now, following means the area of the covered area under the crops should be fallow or kept fallow for some times to grow the next crops. It is due to recover the fertility of the soil. It also improves the moisture and content and the texture of the soil. Now, mulching. Mulching is a practice of agriculture. The area of the soil is covered by a polythene. It is used to stabilize the temperature and the moisture of the soil. Crop rotation also is a type or the technique to conserve soil. Wind breaks or the shelter belt. In the desert areas, the shelter belts are done, for which to cut the blow of the winds or the check blow of the winds. So the wind's speed becomes slow down. In this way, we can conserve the soil from erosion. Afforestation also is a technique to conserve soil. Drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is used in the mountainous regions through which we can conserve the soil erosion. And also it is used for the irrigation facilities. Now, water resources. About water resources, we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.